I always say that I have two bosses, my wife and my daughter.
So my great-grandfather, Murray Lampert, moved here from New York and started the business out of his apartment in La Mesa. Being family owned and operated to our customers is really important. They get that feeling that we can relate to them and their families.
The company has come a long ways over the last 47 years. We've always been a design build company, but now we've taken design, not only our architectural, but interior design to a completely different level.
We have a really motivated team here at Murray Lampert, and we love to empower our group to take responsibility for their projects and their designs and really get excited about it.
Everybody here at Murray Lampert is very nice, very welcoming, very willing to help as well.
We have a very thorough process of design development, and it starts with a consultation on the job site, speaking with the customers and checking out all the existing conditions. And then we go into design development and have a site meeting with our team who does very accurate measurements.
They'll use things like drones, lasers, even LiDAR scanners to measure the house. And then after that, it'll come back to the office and they'll build an accurate as-built model of the house.
There's a lot of times where we have our interior designers collaborating back and forth. Even though we have our own jobs, we still like to bounce ideas off of each other.
The design team and myself will meet, we'll look at the as-built model, and we'll go over the recap of what the homeowner's looking for, and we'll sketch them out, and we'll meet as a team and figure out like what layout's gonna work best for the space. And then once we all agree that this is going to be a layout that's going to work best, then it'll go to the senior architectural designer to model that space.
Of course, they're coming to us too for our expertise to say, will this work, do you think? Or how could we incorporate something like that? And a lot of the times we can, because we want to make the clients happy. At the end of the day, that is our main goal and our drive, is to make them happy.
It is a complex process, and it is something that we do all the time, and the people who come to us have a lot of time never done this before, and so we make sure that we put it in bite-sized pieces and guide them through it so that they can follow along and are involved in the process while still feeling like they can relax and have us do the heavy lifting.
I touch customers, Rachel does, and Lisa does too, and that attention and the feeling that people get from that is we want to really protect. Everyone understands the mission and everybody talks the same way because it's the same mission that everybody has in this company, and that's to make a customer happy with us. At Murray Lampert, together we create home.